In the Mix is presented by Bon Thai Restaurant and Lounge.
Howdy everybody, I'm Sabrina Salas Matinani. Welcome to the BriMix, a special Throwback Thursday episode of In the Mix. You know, I've done a lot of crazy stuff this past several months for this show, and one of my favorite ones, one of my favorite all-time shoots is when I went jet skiing.
Joe Stadler and Lauren Cedarblade are the duo behind Joe's Jet Ski in Mooning. The two have been running the company for the past 3 years.
We took over from a guy named Captain Dan, and he helped us work through it. He was awesome. He had everything figured out. It was perfect. And then we took over and just built it up, got some contracts, you know, got with the local people and the military people, and that's how we started.
Lauren says in the beginning it was tough. They had to find reliable employees and ride the waves of the local tourism industry.
We started to be okay, and it was fine. And then the tourism started to go down with the Japanese, and that really hurt us a lot. We're starting to recover though, so it's awesome.
This was my first time to Joe's Jet Ski, or actually operating a jet ski for that matter. But you know me, I'm always up for a challenge. Lauren assured me I would be safe and that I wasn't alone. She says about 70 to 80% of their customers are first-time riders. Before anyone goes out, they are given a briefing by the instructors on how to operate the jet ski.
We do a little practice, and then if anybody feels uncomfortable, then we give them a little bit more attention, but we never let anybody go outside of the bay if they are uncomfortable.
Joe's Jet Ski offers a tour starting from their headquarters at Hotel Santa Fe out past the reef to Two Lovers Point and back.
We're open every day from 9 a.m. with our first tour going out at 9:30, and then we close at 2 p.m. But we're not closed then, that's our last run. So we have hours on the hour, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, and 2.
It was time for me to test the waters, operate a jet ski for my very first time. Needless to say, I was nervous.
Let's do this. Face your fears, face your fears.
Kobe Guzman was our instructor and gave us our safety and instructional briefing.
So right here, green button, engine start. This is your throttle right here. There's no brakes, okay? So you squeeze to go fast, you let it go, your jet ski will go slow, okay? Red button, engine stop, okay? This is your emergency stop. This comes out, jet ski automatically turns off, okay? Top, just slide it in between, jet ski starts moving, okay? This is your emergency stop. This goes into your life jacket inside and clear, okay? So when you guys are taking turns, left, right, straight, just keep your body straight as possible, okay? The slower you go, the less control.
The slower you go, the less control?
Yeah.
So you're saying go fast?
Not really fast. Just go at your own pace. I'll be following you guys at all times, okay?
Wait, so who's leading?
I'm leading.
But then you're gonna follow?
2, 3, and then so on. Okay? This
Do you
will
have
speed
like
down.
another kind of sign, like help?
Yeah, just pick up your hands like this.
Okay.
And out. Okay?
What about like stop, stop, wait. So green, go, red, stop. Pull the cord like we gotta stop this right now. And this is to like let's go, and then let go, we stop.
Slow down.
Slow down, okay.
This one goes into your life jacket. So if you fall off,
It comes down.
and then you
it
can swim
stops.
to your seat. Yes.
I don't swim, just remember that.
Alright. Same here.
You can't swim?
I do not
I
know.
feel so much better now. Oh my gosh. Really?
No, I'm just joking. I know how to swim.
Well, no turning back now.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll be number 1, number 2, and 3, okay?
I don't know if I should do this by myself.
Yeah, you're doing fine.
Yeah, but this is like
Okay.
I don't understand everything here.
Again, but we'll just take it with Asha and then you, and then we'll be in the last.
It doesn't matter where I am because I'm scared regardless.
We're behind you, okay?
Just relax.
Relax, relax, relax. Time to suck it up and head out into the big blue. Let me preface this by saying, this is not what everyone experiences. This is just my story of my first time operating a jet ski. After a 30-minute ride, we made it to Gun Beach and took pictures.
How do you like it so far?
I'm glad I didn't stop. My hands like holding on for dear life. Oh, it's like the faster you go, the better control. The faster you go. It was fun. Just facing your fear.
The life of a reporter, you know, you're getting out in the field.
Yeah.
And they really are getting out there.
I'm out there. Yeah, way out there. After a brief stop, it was off to Two Lovers Point. As we made our way there, I felt a little more comfortable.
It's fun. I just have to remind myself to just calm down and enjoy the ride.
Dude, it took me a lot to like just ride on this thing. My hands are like still shaking. But make no mistake, it was worth every single second.
I can't believe I did this. Oh, I can't believe I did this.
Wow, that's pretty life-changing. And you know me, I'm all about pushing myself outside of my comfort zone.
I thought I was starting to get sick because it was like, I was like, holy moly, this thing is going boom in the air.
And it was time to bring on the boom again as we made our way back to Santa Fe. I was feeling a little more confident, but every once in a while I'd hit that wave that reminded me, girl, you can't swim, hold on. After an hour on this wild ride, we were back in the bay, grateful to be back in calm waters and feeling myself.
Woo! That was good. Next. No, I'm joking.
This definitely won't be my last time visiting Joe's Jet Ski. If you want to book a tour, make sure to check them out on Facebook or Instagram. You can also call to make reservations, and for local and military pricing, the number's 989-8687 or 688-0686.
Stay tuned. BriMix continues after the break.